my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to show you this makeup look which is inspired by Disney princess Belle look, and also I will show you this Belle hairstyle which is super duper easy to do. I am really obsessed with princess look, their hairstyle, makeup, costume, and also I love their love stories. So if you would like to know how I got this entire look, then please keep watching. First I am starting with my moisturizer. I am using Johnson's baby cream. It is really good for summer season. I love how this looks, just give a nice shine to the face. Next up I am taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Warm Beige. This is the exact shade in my skin tone. Next I am using Lakme translucent powder to set my base. To fill my eyebrows, I like to use Miss Claire natural eyeshadow palette and take this dark brown shade. For my eyes, I am using Nika K Oh Honey palette and taking the brown shade. I am applying it on my outer V. Then I am blending the brown shade with my clean blending brush. Now I am using the same brown shade on my lower lash line. Next I am applying the bright yellow shade on my half eyelid. For the eyeliner I am using Nykaa black liner. I am start by lining the inner corner first, and then once I reach the outer corner, next I am using my all-time favorite mascara by Maybelline. Next, for a natural look, I am using cream blush from Freedom palette. Now I am using highlighter from Freedom and I am applying it on my cheeks, nose, forehead. For my lips, first I am using Miss Claire lip liner. Then I am using Nykaa Molten Matte lipstick in the shade Lily. And here, this is the final makeup look. Now time to hair. I am parting in the center and brushing out section of about 2 inches backwards and pin their front sections to work with later. Brush the back portion of your hair to cover the crown and then twist and then add 2 bobby pins. Next you need a mini bun maker and just pin it to the back of your head. Now I am create a fishtail braid. Divide the hair into 2 large sections and then you take a piece from the other side of the first section across into the other section. And you are going to continue this. Then cover up the bun with this fishtail braid. Next, take the front pieces and then curl the hair and very loose twist, so the hair looks like it is flipped over itself, and then pin at the base of the bun. Now I am going to add some large curls. And lastly, to finishing off the bun, I am adding this thick yellow ribbon and tied it around the bun, and then there you have it. This is my Bella inspired makeup and hair tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this princess inspired makeup tutorial. And if you would like to see princess look series, then let me know in the comment section. I would love to make a video, and if you like this video, then give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on my Instagram page if you personally like me. And I will be back in my next video very soon, guys. Take care. Bye bye.